Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use the stutter effect in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application right here on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and create a new one if you do not already have one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Bandlab, where you can see all the trending videos, you can see the posts by other users and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to add a stutter effect when using one of our tracks so that we can add that kind of glitch effect. So basically what you want to do first is go ahead and click the plus button right here at the bottom of the screen in the middle and start by importing your file. You can either import a file or create a new voice audio file or just open up the studio and start creating a new beat. So guys, let's go ahead and open up one of our files right here that you have, and after opening up, this is how it's going to look like. So guys, let's go ahead and see what we can do to add the stutter effect. Basically guys, you will want to add more tracks right here. So you want to go ahead and add the same track multiple times, or you can just go ahead and cut it out. So you can go ahead and click on it, and you can go ahead and cut out multiple parts. So you can go ahead and click on wherever you want to cut it out, and then click the cut button right here that's going to slice it, and then you can transfer those new parts to your new part right here to the other track and part of it. So after doing so guys, you can go ahead and add it right here using the plus button, and then you can select what you want to add. You can just select import track or whatever, and there you can go ahead and add those new slices. So guys, you want to go ahead and add those new slices, and for every slice guys that you want to use and that you want to make it stutter, you can go ahead and select that to be next to the previous part like this, and then you can go ahead and click on it and click the three dots to add some kind of effects. You can either go ahead and fade it, gain it, and so on, or you can just go ahead and click the FX button right here. So click on FX, that's going to enable you to use the auto pitch option right here, or the FX options as you can see. So we have FX guys, where we can go ahead and select what kind of effects we want, or auto pitch, that's going to enable us to add different effects to our parts of the track. That's going to create a stutter like effect when playing it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.